Rezvani. Just in time for what?
You gotta hold this. You gotta get in here and hold his leg. Watch the road spikes. What are those for?
Those are for, you know, enemies trying to, you know, follow you and stuff.
This is fucking hilarious. Like they're gonna get away in this thing?
They're definitely not gonna get away in your T-ho. Working on the Rezvani today. We're back at it with the Rezvani. So we're tinting it, as you can see. We're also gonna be Clearbraing it now.
Huh?
Doing great.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sad to see this thing go, but our job is now complete. Rezvani is completely wrapped in Satin Guard. So usually you would see a huge change in the color since most cars are gloss and Satin Guard just turns it satin. But since the Rezvani is already satin, this preserves the original color and just keeps it looking new for as long as the client owns the car. Definitely one of the more interesting vehicles to wrap just because it's so angular. There weren't any template kits for any of the panels, so every panel on here was hand trimmed, hand wrapped for the most amount of coverage as possible. So I'm really proud with how this whole thing came out. It looks amazing. Hopefully we'll see it again. And just like that, the Rezvani is leaving. Doug, you take care of her, okay?
I will. I'm gonna drive slow. Be patient with me.